As always, wonderful and beautiful, glorious day it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. It is a soulful Sunday. Absolutely, it is. It is July 14th, 2024. And it's been 3 weeks, 3 long weeks that I have not been able or I have been unable to complete a YouTube live. But we're back. We're back with it and being more consistent with it. These are going to be moved to Saturdays. But we're looking at gold. We're looking at gold on a daily time frame perspective, and I simply want to erase gold altogether because I want to show each and every one of you how and what I see on gold. Okay, I want to be able to display that to you. So what we're going to do is just trash can everything. Boom, remove it. Right. All right. Here's the deal. All right. Here's the absolute real deal spiel. Okay. We know this. Price came in, tapped into what? Demand zone right here, POI. Boom. Low, broke structure, went bullish. Right? So now here's the deal. The market moves in market price cycles on every single time frame. The market moves in market price cycles on every single time frame. What do I mean by that? Check this out. You got the market that does this. Low, high, higher low, higher low, higher high, correct? Now check this out. Here's the deal. The market moves in market price cycles. So right here, you have an accumulation. Okay. Right here, you have a reaccumulation. Okay. Right here will be a distribution. And then right here will be a redistribution. These are the four market price cycles that the market prints in, and it doesn't print out of order. Okay, it does not print out of order. And I want to show you what a distribution, the elements of a distribution, and what an accumulation looks like. So we're going to pull this up from the my folder that I have. I have a web diagram to be able to show you all the elements, the stages, and the events of Richard DeMille's Wyckoff method. All right, it's sitting in the downloads, but I got off the web. And there you go. Wyckoff accumulation distribution. Pushing to pull this up. All right, bam, there it is. Let's minimize that. Blow this up. Cool. This is, well, you can't even see it. Hold up. Wait a minute. I'm not gonna be able to see it. Let me see. I wonder, can you really see this? Hopefully you can. Hopefully people. Hey, what's up, Tony? What's up? What's up? I come back and look at the comments every now and then. Somebody else is on here as well. I have two people looking at the live. Hey, let me know, Tony. Let me know if you all can see this on the YouTube live. Can y'all see the Wyckoff events on YouTube live right now as it's blown up? Were y'all able to see it when I maximized it? Not why it's like this minimized. I know you're able to see it then, but I wonder, are y'all able to see it when it's maximized? Y'all let me know. Drop a one in the chat if you are able to see this, or let me know if you're able to see this on a maximized state. You're able to see, it says Wyckoff Analytics, Trading Education and Mastery, and you're able to see accumulation one, accumulation two, distribution number one, distribution number two. Let me know, because I'm not sure. Y'all see it? The three people that's on the live. Can you see this Wyckoff events and phases? Accumulation one and two and distribution one and two when the diagram is maximized. Can you see it at its maximum state? Let me know if you can't. Y'all can comment. Y'all can post a comment in the chat. I need to, before I go over that. I don't want to teach on something that y'all can't see. I don't want to educate on something that y'all can't see. Are y'all able to see? Y'all can't see it. Okay, cool. All right. So here's how we're gonna do it. Let's see. All right. Appreciate it. I see people typing in my Telegram chat. All right, hold up. Okay, y'all can't see the Wyckoff setup. Hold up. Stop sharing. All right, hold up. I'm about to see. I'm about to pull it up. Let's see. Here we go. Now y'all can see it. Y'all should be able to see it now, huh? Right? Because I'm looking at the screen right now. Y'all should be able to see it now. Let me know something. All right, cool. Bet. Can y'all see it at a maximum state? Y'all can see it when it's maximized? All right, cool. Bet. Here we go. So check this out. I don't have no drawing tools. Crap, hold up. Here you go. Markup. All right, bet. All right, here we go. Y'all can still see it. All right, so here's the deal. When I say accumulation, this is what's happening at the accumulation state. Okay? This is what's happening at the accumulation state. Okay? When I say distribution, this is what's happening at a distribution state. Okay? Okay? I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you talk. So this is what's happening when I say accumulation. This is what's happening at a low. When I say distribution, this is what's happening at a high. All right. All right. So this is what's happening at a low. This is what's happening at a high. Now here's the deal. In between, you're going to have a bullish triangle, which is a reaccumulation, and then you're going to have a bearish triangle, which is a redistribution. So when I say low like this, and then we have a high, so the low is going to be either, this accumulation or this accumulation. And then there's a type 3 sometimes because they attempt to throw you off a little bit as far as if phase C is going to create a Springer test or it's not going to create a Springer test, it's going to be a last point of support. Okay, but that's what's at the low. Okay, in between, you're going to have a reaccumulation. Okay, at a high, you're going to have a distribution. So when the market starts doing this, a bearish divergence, when you hear me say bearish divergence, change of character, this is what's happening right here. on a lower time frame. All right, these elements are happening. Okay, and so you need to know where you are in the market at all times, whether it's phase A, B, C, D, or E, and you need to know what event you're at. I need to know what market price cycle needs to be printed. I need to know what phase I'm in. I need to know what event I am at. Event being these abbreviations right here: preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic rally. This is automatic reaction, and this is a this right here, AR, and accumulation is automatic rally. Okay, so when you Lord have mercy. When you hear me say when you hear me say um when you hear me say low high, that's this is true market structure in the market. Okay, that's true market structure in the market. And I gotta wrap this up real quick. Um, my fiance is telling me that dinner's ready. So, all right, cool, bet. So these are the elements that's happening. Okay, this is a low right here. This right here will be a BOS. Okay, this right here will be what? Accumulation, distribution, redistribution. Okay, accumulation, reaccumulation, breaking structure. Right. So we now know that okay, majority of the time, what's going to happen is a accumulation, reaccumulation leads to a what? A breaker structure above. A distribution, redistribution leads to a what? A breaker structure below. Okay. So on the inside, like right here, we know that this was an accumulation, right? We can see how this right here is a reaccumulation. And then you can see in between how price did what? Came right here back to the demand zone. Bam. Went bullish. This is a breaker structure. Okay, cool. Breaker structure. So now, what do we have? We have accumulation low, right? Reaccumulation that led to what? BOS. So now we know the market price cycles: accumulation, reaccumulation. Now this is more than likely going to be a what? An anticipated distribution. Okay, and I can see the elements because I've been studying this for a couple of years. So this right here would be a preliminary supply. Okay, price pops up, creates the buying climax. Automatic reaction. Secondary test. Uh, Minor sign of weakness. And these are just abbreviations that are in the Wyckoff method, a distribution schematic. Upthrust. I'm closing right now. Okay, my phone about to die. All right. So this would be right here. This wouldn't be anything. So we can see in the elements of this right here, you can see on the daily how price did what? Had a breaker structure right here, right? Tapped into some type of demand zone right here, had a breaker structure right here, created this high, came back and tapped into what? This demand zone right here, right? Tapped into the demand zone, right? You see how it didn't break the low. So you got a low, high, higher low. What happened? Accumulation, reaccumulation, bam, broke structure, right? This right here would be a BOS. Be a daily breaking structure above, right? So now on these elements right here, you can see it like this. Okay, low, Daily structure point. I strongly advise you create templates. It'll save a lot of time. This is a high. This is a low. This is a high. So then look, price came back into the what? Demand zone right here, right? And did what? It did not break the low. It did not break this low. This is the protected low. So price did what? Came back and did what? Possibly attempting to create a new high because it's what? Bullish. But if you know the events, of the Wyckoff method, um, this low, its objective is to do what? Break structure up above and create a new high. Okay, that's its objective. That's not saying that it's going to do it, but that's what it's supposed to do. Okay, so if it doesn't do that, then guess what? We need to switch our bias. So this is a daily supply zone, right? It's a daily demand zone. This low is supposed to go up and create a new higher high. Not saying that it is, but that's its job. That's its primary purpose. So we know from here to here, right? This is bullish on the H4 time frame, right? So look at this. You got a low, high, higher low. Price did what? Accumulated, reaccumulated, broke the structure. Okay. So now on the daily, what I'm looking at is okay. So price accumulated, reaccumulated, broke the structure. We have an imbalance right here. So we can zone this out right here. That this is an opportunity right here. This reaccumulation, it's an opportunity for the buyers to come into the market and accumulate off of in the future. Not saying that it is, but it's a point of interest. Okay, because you got accumulation, reaccumulation, break a structure right here. So we put on the daily. So this is an internal because let's see, but we got that on the daily. We're gonna put this on the H4. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as a daily zone, but I'm gonna put the structure internally as an H4. All right, and then I'm gonna have to go ahead and close out. So low, that's a high. So low, what happened? Break the structure right here, right? DOS. We know it's unmitigated because of the daily, right? Because the daily is unmitigated. You don't see anything coming back and touching these wicks. Clean, bullish engulfing candlestick, boom, rally up. So now that we touch this supply zone, we now are thinking that, hey, we're looking for a bearish divergence change of character. We're looking for a distribution. Okay. So now we want to see that distribution come on a smaller time frame. All right. So let me get rid of this. All right. And you can see how the M is coming in, right? This is an area of interest where the buyers can come in as well. So it just depends on what time frame you want to look at. All right. So you can see the divergence and change of character right here. See that divergence and change of character? I can see it on the M15, but I mean, I've developed the trader's eye. It's more evident on the M5 though. You see it? Bam, divergence, change of character. So now, what we want to do is, I'm going to stop right here for my fiance is coming up here yelling at me. But I appreciate you all for tapping in as long as you did. Appreciate you all for rocking with me. If you're not part of the Telegram chat channel, the Telegram chat channels of the community group and the Signals chat will be in the description below. I appreciate you all for rocking with me. Have a safe, blessed, productive rest of your week. I'll be on tomorrow morning, as it says in the my Telegram chat channel. I just posted the schedule. All right, be rocking with y'all on Zoom. Appreciate you all for rocking with me, and always remember that God created us on purpose to fulfill a purpose. All right, and remember this: I came up with the saying, "Don't steal it." Instead of being one of many, don't be one of many. Be the one. Don't be one of many. Be the one. I'll see you all in the morning. All right. Take care. God bless.